That beloved Costco run is getting an upgrade. The changes, part of a nationwide push by Costco to stay competitive and meet the needs of their customer base.
You walk into the store, surrounded by screens flashing words like HDR10, QLED, 120 Hz, motion rate. All you want is something simple, a clear picture, big buttons, and sound loud enough to hear without turning it to max. You shouldn't need a grandkid to set up your TV every time it updates. Most new TVs are built for tech lovers, not people who just want to watch the news, a movie, or a ball game without fuss. But a few brands still understand ease, comfort, and clarity. We ranked 5 TV brands that actually make life easier for seniors in 2025, from clearer dialogue to friendlier remotes and no-nonsense setup. Let's start from number 5. Number 5. TCL with Roku TV. If you've seen these stacked in Costco or Walmart, there's a reason they're everywhere. TCL with Roku TV is our number 5 pick, and it's all about keeping things straightforward. The moment you turn it on, you're greeted with large tiles on a clutter-free home screen. No confusing icons, no buried settings. Everything's right there in front of you, laid out in a way that makes sense. The remote that comes with it has big, easy-to-press buttons, and here's what really matters. There's a dedicated closed caption shortcut button. You don't have to dig through 3 different menus just to turn on subtitles when you need them. Owners mention it takes less than 15 minutes to set up right out of the box, and after that, it rarely needs tech support. You plug it in, connect to your internet, and you're watching TV. That's it. Think of it like a large print book version of Streaming Clear, simple and easy to follow. The picture quality is solid for everyday viewing, and the Roku interface has been refined over years to be as user-friendly as possible. You won't get lost in menus, and you won't feel overwhelmed by 1,000 apps you'll never touch. The apps you actually use, like Netflix, YouTube, or your local news channel, are front and center. Perfect for casual watching and quick navigation. It's ideal for seniors who want simplicity without sacrifice. You're not giving up quality or features. You're just getting a TV that doesn't make you work for it. The price is reasonable too, which means you're not breaking the bank for something that does exactly what you need it to do. But if you'd rather just talk to your TV than press buttons, number 4 makes that possible. Number 4, Amazon Fire TV Omni Series. This one's made for anyone who doesn't want to keep searching for the remote. The Amazon Fire TV Omni Series sits at number 4, and it's built with Alexa voice control right into the TV itself. That means you don't need a separate device sitting on your coffee table. You can literally say, Alexa, turn on captions, or Alexa, play the weather channel, and it happens. No digging through menus, no squinting at tiny icons on a remote, just your voice and your TV working together. Real users highlight the strong hands-free control and solid picture quality for the price. The voice commands are smooth, reliable, and they actually work the way you'd expect them to. You're not repeating yourself 5 times or trying different phrases until something clicks. It understands natural language, so you can talk to it the way you'd talk to a person. The picture is bright and clear, with good color that doesn't look washed out or overly saturated. And because it's an Amazon product, it integrates seamlessly with Prime Video if you happen to have that subscription. Best for limited mobility or anyone who finds smaller remotes frustrating. If arthritis makes it hard to press tiny buttons, or if your eyesight makes it difficult to see what button you're pressing in a dark room, voice control changes everything. Say it, and it happens. You don't need perfect vision or steady hands to enjoy your favorite shows. The remote still exists for when you want to use it, but knowing you have that voice option gives you freedom and independence. Still, some prefer a more traditional feel with brighter colors and a bit more punch. That's where number 3 shines. Number 3, Hisense U7 and U8 with Google TV. You'll find Hisense sitting between premium and budget, and that's exactly where its sweet spot is. The Hisense U7 and U8 models come with Google TV, and they offer something special for seniors who still want a quality picture without the premium price tag. The screen is bright, really bright, which means you can watch comfortably even when sunlight is streaming through your windows. No more closing all the blinds just to see what's on TV. The colors pop, the contrast is strong, and the overall viewing experience feels far more expensive than what you actually paid. Google TV gives you a clean layout that organizes everything in plain English. No confusing jargon, no hidden settings you'll never find. Your apps are organized on the home screen, and Google's smart recommendations actually learn what you like to watch, so you're not scrolling endlessly trying to find something. Reviewers praise its strong value, picture brightness, and surprisingly decent sound at this price point. The built-in speakers are better than most TVs in this range, which means you might not need a soundbar right away. Dialogue comes through clearly, and you're not constantly adjusting the volume between quiet scenes and loud commercials. A great pick for seniors who want something modern but manageable, not too basic, not too complex. It feels current without feeling intimidating. You get access to all the streaming apps you'd want, the interface is responsive and doesn't lag, and the picture quality rivals sets that cost twice as much. Hisense has really stepped up their game in recent years, and these models prove they're serious about competing with the big names. If this is helping you find a TV you'll actually enjoy using, hit subscribe, because the top 2 picks are the ones most seniors end up loving. Number 2, Samsung Crystal or Q60 QLED. Samsung's been around forever, and their newer models are surprisingly senior-friendly. At number 2, we have the Samsung Crystal or Q60 QLED series. Samsung has put real thought into accessibility features that actually matter to older viewers. These models come with voice guide and multi-output audio features that let you boost dialogue and even stream sound directly to hearing aids if you use them. That's a game changer for anyone who struggles to catch every word in movies or shows. You're not asking everyone around you what that character just said. You're hearing it clearly yourself. The voice guide feature can read on-screen text out loud, which helps if you're navigating menus or reading program descriptions. It's optional, so you only turn it on if you want it, but it's there when you need it. The picture quality on Samsung's QLED screens is vibrant and sharp. Colors look natural, not oversaturated or cartoonish, and the brightness level is adjustable so you can find what's comfortable for your eyes. The interface is clean and organized, with larger icons than some competitors use. Owners praise Samsung for stability, fewer software issues, and long-term reliability. You're not going to wake up one day to find your TV acting strange or refusing to connect. Samsung TVs tend to last. They don't slow down after a year. They don't develop weird glitches that require constant troubleshooting. You buy it, you set it up, and it keeps working year after year. That reliability is worth something, especially when you just want consistency in your daily routine. Best for seniors who want something dependable with strong brightness and crisp sound. Samsung knows how to deliver consistency, and that peace of mind matters. You're investing in a brand that's been perfecting TVs for decades, and it shows in the build quality and attention to detail. The remote is straightforward, the menu system is logical, and customer support is readily available if you ever need help. But our number one brand takes comfort, clarity, and ease of use to another level. And now, number one, LG OLED C or QNED series. This is the TV that truly feels like it was built to make watching effortless. LG OLED C or QNED series takes the top spot for 2025, and there are very good reasons why. LG's WebOS is simple, fast, and customizable without being complicated. When you first turn it on, the interface welcomes you with a clean home screen that doesn't bombard you with clutter. Everything is laid out logically, and you can rearrange your most used apps to be right at the front. No hunting, no frustration. Just the channels and services you actually watch, ready to go. The Magic Remote works like a pointer, no tiny arrows to fumble with. You just move your hand naturally, like you're pointing at the screen, and a cursor follows. Takes along. It feels intuitive in a way that traditional remotes don't. And here's something most TVs hide: 6 menus deep, 1 press opens, accessibility options instantly. You're not buried in settings trying to find where they hid the caption controls or audio adjustments. LG puts them right where you can reach them. Seniors praise LG's Clear Voice feature, which makes dialogue stand out even when there's background music or sound effects. Action scenes, dramatic scores, or sudden sound effects don't drown out the words anymore. You hear conversations clearly without constantly riding the volume button up and down. The picture quality on LG's OLED screens is simply stunning. Deep blacks, bright highlights, and colors that look like real life. But it's not just about looks, it's about comfort. The screen is easy on the eyes, even during long viewing sessions. Easy navigation means you spend less time figuring things out and more time actually enjoying what's on screen. The menus respond quickly. There's no lag or freezing. When you press a button, something happens right away. That responsiveness makes the whole experience feel smooth and natural. Warranty and customer service also rank among the best, so if something does go wrong, you're not left stranded. LG stands behind their products with real support from real people who want to help. It's like walking into a familiar living room. Everything's where you expect, and it just feels right. You're not learning a new system every time you sit down. You're not frustrated by changes or updates that ruin your experience. It's comfortable, dependable, and built with your needs in mind. Best overall TV for seniors in 2025, easy setup, intuitive controls, crystal clear sound, and peace of mind built right in. This is the one that keeps getting recommended by actual users who've tried the others and landed here. So there you have it. At number 5, we had TCL for pure simplicity and that unbeatable Roku interface. 4. Amazon Fire TV for hands-free control that gives you independence. 3. Hisense for brightness and balance without breaking the bank. 2. Samsung for reliability and clear sound you can count on. And number 1, LG, the total package that brings everything together. Before you make your choice, here are a few practical tips that'll save you time and frustration. Always test captions and remote feel in-store if you can. Walk up to the display, pick up the remote, and see if the buttons feel comfortable in your hand. Are they too small, too flat, too close together? Does the remote feel substantial or flimsy? These little details matter when you're using something every single day. Turn on the closed captions and see how they look. Are they easy to read? Is the text size adjustable? Can you change the background color if the white box bothers you? Don't overpay for smart features you won't use. If you're not streaming from 20 different apps, you don't need a TV that tries to do everything. Some TVs advertise hundreds of features that sound impressive, but add complexity without adding value. Focus on what you actually need: clear picture, good sound, easy controls. The rest is just noise. You're better off spending your money on a TV that does the basics beautifully than one that does 1,000 things poorly. Choose brands with easy returns and extended warranties. Costco and LG both shine here because they stand behind their products and make the return process simple if something isn't right. You shouldn't have to fight to return a TV that doesn't work for you. A generous return policy gives you time to live with the TV, test it in your own home with your own lighting, and make sure it's truly the right fit. Extended warranties matter too, especially as you get older and don't want the hassle of replacing expensive electronics every few years. A TV should help you relax, not make you feel like you're in a tech. Class. Pick one that fits your comfort, not just your living room. You deserve technology that works for you, not against you. Which brand do you use now and how's it been? Drop a comment to help others choose smarter and subscribe for next week's guide on the best TV remotes for seniors.